You see how you don't talk, right? And then when you want something from me, you want me to talk to you, right? You see this, right? So now if you ask me something and I ignore you, don't say anything.
It started as a textbook traffic stop in North Miami Beach for excessively dark window tints. But the atmosphere shifted the moment officers smelled marijuana wafting from the white Honda. As the investigation deepened, 22-year-old Jonathan Rivas began to unravel, visibly trembling and claiming he was spiraling into a severe panic attack. Officers, attempting to de-escalate the medical distress, had no idea they were being lured into a false sense of security by a suspect who was cold, calculated, and waiting for the perfect split second to strike.
Everything down, put it on your car, man. Put it, man. I have to take my mom to the hospital, dog. Like, put it in your car. You taking longer than they expected. Okay. Alright, I gotta back you down. Put the phone on top of that. Put your hand on top of the car. Bro, I'm not telling you put your hand back. Relax. No weapon on you? Alright. No needle, no knives. I'm trying to speed this shit up. Alright? Okay, that's fine. I don't mind. That's your car keys. Alright. Alright, turn around. Alright, do me a favor. No. Put your leg forward. Like, put your leg forward and cross it. Sit down, bro. Sit down and cross your leg.
Alright, look, bring your feet out.
Okay, I'm trying
Look, relax.
fast.
Bring your feet out and cross them. That's it. Bring your feet out. Look. You're not
Want me
listening.
to help you? Like this. I want you to do it like this and cross it.
That's it.
And just wait, okay? Give me a second. Watch it.
Your keys.
So there's no drugs in the car, no nothing, right? Alright, I'll do a quick search. Everything's good. You're gonna be good to go, alright?
How old are you? How old are you? Ah, okay.
How old are you?
22. Jonathan, right? Where do you work at? Where do you work at? Do you work or you just stay at home? In Hialeah or in North Miami Beach? You know you can talk, right?
Can I stand up? Why?
Because we told you to sit.
Why are you so mean to me? I was in my way to work in my position.
How are we being mean and we didn't even talk?
The facade of a medical emergency vanished in a heartbeat when Rivas suddenly lunged forward, violently shoving an officer to the pavement before diving back into his vehicle. With a screech of tires, he transformed a routine stop into a high-speed nightmare, tearing through the residential streets of Florida with a total disregard for public safety. The desperate escape attempt reached a chaotic climax minutes later when Rivas lost control.
Why do you leave the phone?
We're conducting an investigation. The phone doesn't need to be open. Why does the phone need to be open? She's not here. You're not even talking to her. Right now, when I hung it up, you weren't talking to her. And even if you were talking to her, I would have took the phone and I would have hung it up and I would have put it there anyways.
Can I ask why you guys want to?
What?
Can I ask why you guys want to?
What?
Can And I asked what you guys want to know. Like, you say I can talk, and I know, like...
He tried talking to you before. You would have been in the car the whole time if you just complied with him at first. You didn't, which is why you ended up out here.
He asked if I had any weapons, I said no.
Okay?
I complied.
There was times before that where you didn't. You didn't even want to sit down. We had to help you sit down.
I was shaking. You saw how I was shaking, man.
And I tried talking to you, and you ignored me. He tried talking to you. You ignored him.
You know what happens when you're having a panic attack?
Yes. That's the point. You talk. You talk it through. And that's what I was trying to do with you, but you ignored the fuck out of us. So, whatever.
I didn't ignore you.
You see how you don't talk, right? And then when you want something from me, you want me to talk to you, right? You see this, right? So now if you ask me something and I ignore you, don't say anything.
In a vehicle heading northbound from 19 and 174.
Personnel units, Unit B 349 and 356 is subject to leave northbound. In a 2022 Chevy pickup, blue in color. Tag is Bravo Foxtrot 11. Any units is clear in 15. You saw that visual?
Yeah, so 1490 crime. 349. Just crashed into a vehicle.
17.
Refusing to go down without a fight, Rivas abandoned his wrecked Honda and took off on foot, leading law enforcement on a grueling pursuit through the neighborhood. After a brief but intense struggle, officers finally wrestled the suspect into handcuffs, ending a rampage that could have easily turned fatal. Now, Jonathan Rivas faces a mountain of felony charges, including battery on a law enforcement officer and fleeing and eluding, as the legal system prepares to deliver a verdict for his reckless betrayal of the law.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm saying! Get on the ground!
Turn around, bro. Turn around.
Turn around.
3 by 60 units on 3.
In a vehicle. Last seen 19th Avenue at 183 straight. 356.
Miami cars but we need more info where the subject actually was.
356 around the gardens.
356.
Give me your other hand! Give me your fucking hand!
356.
Give me your arm!
Give it!
Give me your arm!
Give me your hand! Give me your fucking hand!
Give me your arm!
Give me your hand!
359.
You got it, man? It's under.
Unit
you go.
for a 22 Chevy blue car pickup truck. Should be in the area of 19th Avenue.
Fuck, he's right in the head.
Drive.
Give me your fucking hand!
¡Ayuda! ¡Esa policía! ¡Esa policía! ¡Ayuda! ¡El papi!
Subject in custody.
Subject in custody is 1656.
I got him. Get your rest. I got him. Get your rest. You guys all right?
Yeah.
I'm good. All right. Send a unit over to the 17th to double check on the people. Anybody there? Okay, I got you. 297. Let's see if we can send an additional unit over to the 297. Let's see if we can send an additional unit to the 17th just to double check on anybody injured.
Hotel, what kind of vehicle? And is it on the guard?
It's a white Honda Civic.
It should be on
And the
18th
remote.
Road before Miami Gardens. Southbound of Miami Gardens. It should be a white Honda Civic.
I can't understand. Oh my God.
The unit
You have to help my legs if you want.
that vehicle, southbound, just before the guard, 1812, white Honda Civic.
Can I get on my side?
Shut up.
Which one is that? Thank you, help.
Bring my car over. Bring my car over. Park it over here.
Jonathan Rivas is now facing the full weight of Florida's legal system, with charges that could land him behind bars for a very long time. For the felony battery on an officer and the high-speed pursuit that endangered dozens of lives, legal experts suggest Rivas is looking at a potential sentence ranging from 3 to 20 years in state prison. This case serves as a chilling reminder of how quickly a routine encounter can turn deadly when deception meets desperation. What do you think? Was this a genuine medical crisis or a calculated ambush to escape the law? Does he deserve the 3-year minimum, or should he get the full 20? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe for Verdict Prime for more unfiltered breakdowns of the most intense police encounters across America.